Team Golden Sunshine are entering the Edinburgh 40-hour film. Team leader Marla has flown in from Germany.
Yeah, Group D, it's us. Yep. Reverend Katie Fiddler, Colostomy Bag. What do you think of this knot? Yeah, what's the genre? Jolly musical or fascist propaganda? Okay, bye.
No-brainer. I was at the Moulin Rouge 50 years ago. I was an opportunity knocks. I didn't win actually.
Okay. So you're for Jolly musical. Who else is for Jolly musical? Hands up. Okay, that's a clear. We doing fascist
An
propaganda.
hour in, the team are still debating their favourite fascist.
Pinochet.
Franco.
Liz Truss. Seriously?
The worst thing about a colostomy bag is finding shoes to match.
Colostomy bag. Where do we even find one?
Oh, I've got one.
Okay.
"5 hours in, and it appears Julia has arrived just in time.
Team Golden Sunshine. How he's getting on? It took me a while to get back there, but look, I've got a lanyard. Who wants it?
Yeah, sure.
Right, what are you thinking about the genres? I think it's pretty wild cards, but I think, I'm sure between us we'll get something. Don't you?
I need a toilet. Sorry.
We're running out of time. It's 48-hour film challenge. Come on, let's get some ideas concrete.
I got it. We're gonna do an underground fascist parade.
We could use the tunnel.
Yep.
The tunnel's too dark and dingy.
We'll get it painted bright.
Nice. What about the Reverend K.D. Fiddler?
The Reverend is gonna stand in front of the crowd and is doing this emotionless speech about humanity. Huh? Got it.
Okay.
Let's go.
In the bag.
I want it painted. The whole tunnel. Bright graffiti by tomorrow morning at 9. Well, forget golfing then. Right?
The budget has skyrocketed. The whole tunnel has been painted overnight. Surely a feat worthy of the highest recognition.
Oh, looking good, mate. Cheers. Yeah. Could have finished a bit earlier, but let's go. Be in a time crunch.
A difficult decision awaits the director. The entire cast have arrived in ecclesiastical dress, hoping to be cast as the Reverend.
Stop it! Okay, here. It's you. Okay? Moving on.
Me.
Oh, it's me!
Things are not going well.
No, the tunnel's not working. I need a road closed off. A lot of traffic cones. Make it real big. Why? Why do you close off a road? Because maybe rocks fall off. Sweeney, get it done. Less than an hour.
First Minister John Swinney has come good, and so has Bruce.
What was that line we have to include?
It's not what you think it is.
What is it?
I'm not sure.
What do you think of this knot?
That's the line! Line? I want the line.
Give a sign.
Oh.
Camera rolling. And action.
Make fascism great again! Make fascism great again! Make fascism
And
great again!
going in for Mitcha.
So have you done a 40-hour film before?
Yeah, I have actually. This is my fourth one. Yeah,
Okay, so you like doing it?
Quite like doing it. Yeah. I mean, it's interesting. I mean, sometimes the teams cheat. They should be giving you a name and a character, and then, but they'll just shoehorse people in, shoehorn them in. Yeah.
Cheers. Can I get your name for the credits?
Yeah, my name's Sandy Rose. I'm a waiter.
Brilliant. Thank you.
Okay, cut, guys. Amazing.
The emotional and dramatic climax of the film approaches as Reverend Fiddler confronts the fascists.
You have to pull it together, girl. Alrighty.
Camera rolling. And action.
Big flashes of grace again. Big flashes of grace again. Big flashes of grace again.
In the name of the Lord. Cut! You got it, guys! Yeah! Let's run!
So can I do the finish thing now?
Filming complete. All that remains is the edit back at base camp.
What is it?
I can't find the keys.
What do you mean?
I've lost the key. To get back in.
Fucking believe this, that I flew in for this Scheiße from Germany.
Despite their valiant efforts, unable to edit, the team missed the deadline.